Whether you can see it or not, it's not very level. Right, I've had a look under the wall and I can't see the cable, so my bet is it's behind this back mould. So I'll have to be careful. Mind you, it's turned off and then probably goes up to the ceiling. This one disappears. Mind you, there's plenty of it, so I might be able to send it back down there. The electrician can see what all this is about. If you wanted to define the difference between DIY and a professional job, I think you could say it's this. This has been cut short, straight across. It has no support under it. This one has support, this one was just left on its end. See there, they just laid on. So this was supported by the lath and plaster of the roof to hold the door up. If you look across, you can see there's the original wall, which is there, and that's my finger on the end of the wall. So they put a brick across and just then tucked another one under. So it's sort of half hanging off the wall. Right, joins there, halfway between the two joists. These bricks have to come out, that's stupid. So I'm going to have to take a bit of this wall away so that I can get a join across there to give the support across the door. And I can't see an alternative to that, it has to be done. This side has got bits of carpet under it, so that was put on and then the door frame was put on. But it should be, this is a supporting wall, so this side of the frame should be screwed through there, so that should be alright. This is getting silly as I'm going along. I can see that I don't think there's anything in the middle of here, which there should be. So it hasn't been built right, but I'll have to get the paper off so I can see what's up here and how far I dare go. It's just not supported. These are running around the outside, and then the plasterboard was put over the top of them. They're not even being channeled in, and no attempts been to channel them in at all. Well, as you would drill them through. Somebody got a foam gun for Christmas. There's two different colours in there, so it's two goes. This door frame might be coming out, they're checking with regs, but the issue is there's nothing on the top of there. So that's why everything is rattling about. The top of the door frame here doesn't even have anything running along. There's no strength to any of this. So I'm just going to take it out and start again. We sorted out what we can do with it. We're going to open it right up. Planning regs have said as long as the kitchen has a fire door. The trouble is the frame is 1,000,000 miles out. It's so far out of wind, I think it's better to change it. What? When you cut a floorboard, you're supposed to go halfway across the joist so that you've got something substantial. But then this board has been put back down.